Coming to you today, showcasing a brand new listing we have here in Kent County, Maryland in Rock Hall at 6179 East Delore Drive. We are showcasing this gorgeous remodel that, as you can tell behind me and we'll quickly see as we walk through, she has been fully updated from top to bottom. So you just noticed a brand new kitchen. We've got new LVP flooring all throughout the home. It's a cutie at just over 1,000 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath. So it's perfect for low maintenance living and easy because there's no stairs on this property. The 3 bedrooms have additionally been redone to have all new fresh paint throughout the whole home, plus that LVP flooring continues in the entire house. So no carpet here. All the fans and lighting have been updated, so where the fans and the lights are on their own switch. Each light and each fan has its own dimmer switch, which is extremely convenient to have its own outlet itself. As you can tell, the AC is pumping. The windows are a little fogged because it's so muggy outside in Maryland today. But this is one that you don't want to hesitate on. It's listed at just under $260,000. So it is a steal for a property that's already done. Move right in, have little to no maintenance, and everything's already upgraded for you. But let's just get one more sneak peek of this beautiful kitchen that's behind me here. You're also on about just 0.2 acre lot, which you have all these mature trees behind you, and the property buds up to community space, so it makes your large yard look even bigger. You have this great shed I almost forgot about, and even though you're on a community street, you have no HOA. So don't skip out. Make sure you schedule your tour. This would be great if you're downsizing or a first-time home buyer. 6179 East Delore Drive in Rock Hall, Maryland.